Buenas mi gente, ¿cómo están ustedes? Bienvenidos a su canal YouTube Rutas y Camino de Islandia. Bueno señores, ya estamos preparados para empezar el tour verano 2022 Islandia. Vamos a hacer un gran recorrido hoy 1 de agosto, muy especial. Vamos a ir como a 3 a 4 cascadas interesantes. Sígueme en mi canal YouTube, ya estamos preparados, listos. Mírenlo, ahí estamos ya listos para salir. Ahí vamos hacia el sur de Islandia. Bueno, los espero, síganme, gracias.
I'm staying in bed thinking back on us and everything that went wrong. Never said goodbye, think I broke your trust, should've known this all along. Don't wanna be the one that you're trying to avoid. I'm feeling so confused, why did I act so annoyed? 'Cause I don't wanna be strangers, baby. The next time when we meet, and oh, it dawned on me. What we had was gold, and you gotta know I was standing on the border. The walls around me kept me safe. I couldn't see that I was shutting you out. I was stuck up and proud, but I'm waking up now. Want you to know that I need you. I'm waking up now. You gotta know that I need you. Up, but it's time for me to be dropping down my defense. I realize I wasn't there for real. What I did didn't make any sense. How can I get you close? I see why you'd be so cold, but you need to forget everything that I've told you. 'Cause I ain't playing it low-key, baby. I'll bring you right back home. And oh, it dawned on me. Yeah, yes it did. Standing on the border, the walls around me kept me safe. I couldn't see that I was shutting you out. I was stuck up and proud, I'm waking up now. Want you to know that I need you. Waking up now. You gotta know that I need you. I'm waking up now.
Estamos en esta prestigiosa cascada fenomenal de Islandia, en el sur de Islandia, skógafoss. Miren, ahí la tienen, para que la vean. Maravillosa.
You remember when we were out last week? I met this girl.
Yeah, what about it?
Well, she blocked me on Tinder.
What?
7 days since she left, I'm still amazed. The way she dressed, I mean, woof. The way she smelled, made my every cell scream rum bum bum bum. Huh. Who knew what Tinder date could make me feel this way? Now I'm in love and I'm ready to play. Wrote her a text like, hey baby, do you wanna hang out? But then she goes, she run around, run around, run around, run around, run around in my head. I can't let go. No, 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 no. It's all I think about, think about, think about, think about, think about, think about her. What did I do wrong? What did I do? Remember what happened? Remember stepping to the club, right? Did you ain't turn it up, right? She was rocking to the song, you were looking all along, you even touched your ding dong, right? So tell me what's at your face plans when you put your hands in her pants, or maybe when you hit the guard and beat in that car, kept acting like a rock star. If you act like a douche, of course you're run around, run around, run around in my head. I can't let go. No, 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 no. It's all I think about, think about, think about, think about, think about, think about her. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? If you act like a douche, of course you will lose, yeah. If you act like a douche, of course you will lose, yeah. If you're acting like a douche, of course you will lose, yeah. If you're acting like a douche, of course you will lose. If you act like a douche, of course you will lose, yeah. If you act like a douche, of course you will lose, yeah. If you're acting like a douche, of course you will lose, yeah. If you're acting like a douche, of course you will lose. She run around, run around, run around, run around, run around in my. That's all I think about, think about, think about, think about, think about, think about. Remember stepping to the club, right? Did you ain't turn it up, right? She was sweating to the song, you were lurking all along, you even touched your ding dong, right? So tell me what's at your face plans, or when you put your hands in her pants, or maybe when you hit the guard and beat in that car, kept acting like a rock star. If you act like a douche, of course you will lose, yeah. If you act like a douche, of course you will lose, yeah. If you're acting like a douche, of course you will lose, yeah. If you're acting like a douche, of course you will lose.